Gilani family is very respectable family in Azerbaijan. We know them very well, and they know Azerbaijan very well. Throughout our independence years, we received very huge support from this family. Chairman Senat playing and has played till now very crucial role in developing our relations, and I very much honored to support initiative my brother Ali Qasim Gilani Saab to introduce the humanitarian aid from Azerbaijan government through the Azerbaijan International Development Agency and the Embassy of Azerbaijan. And it is once again became the one occasion that we showed both sides peoples that not only in our happy days, but in our difficult days we are close to each other, stand by each other, because the first humanitarian aid we received, among the first humanitarian aids among this humanitarian aids we received from Pakistan in the early 90s, when we just restored our independence.